Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and this is the exclusive video for my Stampin' subscribers. That was hard to get out, wasn't it? And this month we are using Flurry of Wishes. I know that it's not Christmas time quite yet, but it will be here before you know it, and I wanted to kind of get a jump start so that you guys could see some of the fun ways that you could use this card. I have 3 awesome cards and a really cool project to show you guys. And so the first card is going to use a piece of Pool Party, Whisper White, Whisper White, Whisper White in 3 different sizes, another piece of Pool Party, and a piece of Marina Mist. And this card is going to be kind of a neat card, I think. And the first thing that I'm going to do is fold my card and burnish it so that it lays nice and flat. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this corner and I'm going to fold it in. It doesn't exactly matter how far I decide to fold it in, just whatever works for you guys, whatever you think looks cute. So it's just going to go in. Now if you want to make it square, you can do that. This obviously isn't square. It might have actually been a little better if I did make it square. Maybe I should try to do that. So yeah, I would probably make it square because we're gonna build stuff on top of it. I'm not doing a very good job of that, but there we go. And by square, I mean when you fold it down, make sure that the lines are parallel with each other. And then take your snail and your largest piece of Whisper White, and that large piece of Whisper White is going to go on the inside of the card. Oh, my thing's gonna fall. I jerked. My goodness, I'm not getting off to a very good start with this, am I? I jerked because I thought my whole tape gun was going to fall, and there we go. And then what we're going to do is you can tape this flap down as well. Just like that. And then you can put this to the side for a minute, and we're going to find the smallest piece of Whisper White, which is this one, the smallest square piece of Whisper White. You'll have another piece of Whisper White, but I guess you need both of these smaller pieces of Whisper White. Just take both of them. And on this one, you want to stamp your bigger of the 2 snowflakes. I guess there's 4 snowflakes. I guess, yeah, I don't know how to say that. The second to the largest snowflake. And it's not going to fit exactly on this. It's going to hang off, but that is okay. And we want to stamp this in Pool Party. And just stamp it right on to that Whisper White, the square. Just like that. And then you're going to take the stamp that has both of the snowflakes together. And some people I know have cut these apart so that you have them separately, and if you want to do that, you're more than welcome to. The reason that they're together is because they go with the punch, and this will be, if you want to get this from me this month, let me know and I will give you a discount so that you'll have it. But yeah, this one you're going to stamp in Marina Mist, and I'm just going to stamp both of these. And you can use the other one that you're not using on this card for another time, so save it because we'll use it on one of our next cards. So go ahead and leave these together, and straight down, straight up. And then I'm going to take my punch and line these up and punch this out. And it's up to you if you want to use the smaller one or the larger one, because you'll use both of them eventually. So it doesn't matter, whichever one you decide you want to use. And it really doesn't matter. I can't even really tell much of a difference. I think I'm going to use the little bitty one just because I think it's cute. And then I'm taking just a spare piece of paper. It doesn't have to be anything special. Ooh, excuse me. Anything special. And I'm taking just my two-way glue pen. You can use any sort of like kind of dry glue. And I'm just putting this all over my snowflake. I'm not being real careful as to where it goes exactly. Just I'm pushing it all over. And then I'm taking the sparkling diamonds, the dazzling diamonds, Stampin' Glitter. And I'm just going to pour it right on top. Now if you have tweezers or something, you might use those to fish this out. I think I do, but good telling where they are. They should be in my little bin here. Where are you, tweezers? I see you. Oh, and it's so pretty already. Look at how pretty that is. I'm just going to leave it on the tweezers right there, and then I'm taking this and I'm going to put it back into my carton or my pot. And as a gift, you guys got this in your package too. So this is awesome stuff. I love it, and you won't use very much. And you're going to want to use a dimensional. And my thumbnail broke, so it seems like it's extra short right now. And I'm just putting this right down in the middle, and then I'm going to push this right down in the middle. And I'm not using my hands because I will get this glitter all over. But that's how it will look. Isn't that cute? And then what we're going to do is do the 2-layer thing. I'm going to put my glue gun down, or your snail adhesive, and then I'm going to line this up in the middle and push that down. And then I'm going to do the same thing with this one. And I'm just being careful not to go totally near the edge, because I know that this is going to be 1/4 of an inch smaller, so I don't want to go all the way to the edge of this, otherwise my glue would not be covered. There we go. And then we'll take the card base, and on this one I will put it on the back of this, because I don't know exactly on the card base where that's going to go. I just want to be a little gentle so all of my glitter doesn't fall off. I mean, it's pretty stuck on there with the glue, but if you rub it, it will come off. Oh, and I shouldn't have put it on every corner. I lied. Luckily, this is easy to take off. And Snail does this too. So if you mess up like I did, you can take it off. But you're only messing up like I did because I told you to. So leave a corner off. And then we're going to put this right down here like that. Now, if you open it and you still have glue like I do, then you can take it off your adhesive. But just don't put adhesive down on one of the corners. Oh, that's so cute. Now I'm going to take that double stamp again. And I could have done this while I had it out, I suppose. And I think I'm going to do this in, I'm going to do this one in the pool party. I'm just taking my double stamp and I'm just going to stamp it in the corner here. Like that. And then I think I'll take this Merry Christmas and my Marina Mist, and I will stamp that right here. And there we go. There's our first Christmas card of the season. At least, I think that's my first Christmas card of the season. Christmas in July, as they say. I'm doing this in July. I know that you guys might not see this till August, but I have to get them prepped and ready for you guys so that you'll have them. But isn't that cute? Oh, I think it's adorable. And I think your recipient will really like it too. Whether or not they live in a hot climate or a cold climate, it's still fun to have snowflakes. So that's why I picked this set for this month. So yay, there's our first card. I think it's adorable. Thank you so much. Oh, I guess I'll leave that out here and I will close this one and we will start our second card. Thank you very much. Bye guys.